How to conditionally copy a substring into a new column of a pandas data frame? This is my first post, so hopefully I don't botch the question and I'm clear. Basically, this is a two-part question. I need to set up code that first checks whether or not column A equals valid. If this is true, I need to extract the substring from column B and place it in a new column, here labeled C. If the conditional is false, I will like to put in na. See the second table for my desired outcome. A few things to note. The substring will always start after the phrase XX and finish right before your Y. The substring will be of differing lengths from cell to cell. I know the following code is wrong, but I wanted to show you how I have been attempting to solve this problem. I apologize for the errors in this basic code, as I am new to Python altogether and still rely on an eye and trial and error to guide me. Any help you can provide is appreciated.
You can use PD, series.str.extract. The regex pattern is question mark equals XX is a look behind for XX. Dot question mark matches everything between the look behind and look ahead. Question mark equals your Y is a look ahead for your Y.
Jo, vänta senare. Läser kanske det substring.